No.
Delete that.
Alright, I only have one new person here, which is.
Hi.
And you remember her from Jared Flores P. Okay.
Get out
But today we're in her house.
I'm older than him.
And before we show this video, we're gonna get the supplies because we're gonna be doing some scientist stuff. So we'll come back right now. Hallelujah. Okay, we're back. We are back and we're finally gonna. You're like Edward. Okay. Where are they? Okay. Okay, go. Okay, go.
Here are the materials you're gonna be needing. You're gonna be needing liquid glue.
She copied it from YouTube.
You use
You poop.
you use baking soda. You need, of course, you need something to mix with. Something to mix in and something to mix with. If you want to have it colorful, but you don't have food coloring, you can use the tip of a color pencil to give it a bit color. You're gonna pour the glue.
What are we supposed to do?
Put it over here on top,
Okay.
so it shows.
That's the worst glue ever. Oh, look at pee. Now we get this.
Not yet.
Yeah. You smacked the camera.
Let me talk to the people.
Okay, go.
Let me talk.
No,
talk.
Now.
Okay. Hi, tell all my friends.
We seriously have to do it.
Ew.
Okay. Oh.
No.
What? It looks like 2 cups. That looks better. That's looking nice.
It looks disgusting a little.
What?
But it looks
Why do we need glue?
Now, with the baking soda, you're going to pour just a bit. If you put too much, it's going to not be stretchy. If you want more like...
Wait, it's gonna stretch? You never told me about that.
Yes, if you wanted more like flubber, then you could put a lot of baking soda. But since I want like real slime and stretchy, I'm going to put a bit.
Oh yeah, that looks nice.
So you didn't make me
Okay.
Oh yeah.
That's seriously it? Okay, now we're gonna...
Maybe we could add more. I don't know. Now you're gonna use the tip and you're gonna.
Can I do it?
No.
I wanna do something.
I think we're gonna need much more baking powder. I think I put too much. Too little.
I don't see anything.
I do.
I see.
No.
There's nothing.
Oh. Yeah.
Maybe you have to have more baking soda.
That's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. Ow! Oh, it looks like poop. This is gonna take forever.
No.
We're,
I already got a bit.
Alright, we're gonna. Oh my. Wait, let me see.
This is part of it. Oh! It's really cool. Stop being such a baby. You can see in here, sort of.
Yeah, sort of, yeah.
It's for me.
I think we're gonna come back later because
No,
this is
right here.
now this is taking forever. Wait. Wait, okay, I want it. I want it. Can I have it?
No.
I want a bit. Come on, I'm the narrator. Give me soap.
You're not related to me.
Yeah.
You're not the main person, okay? I'm the main person. I'm the one that's
I'm
made the
older.
channel.
Ah.
Oh. Like
So here's
scratching.
the final result. I think I put too much baking powder. I really wanted to stretch it.
Can I really hold it?
Okay, but I film.
Okay.
It looks squishy.
This has been 5 minutes.
Squishy.
Yeah. It looks normal.
Well, we're gonna make some more. No, Violet, no.
What is saying?
You stick it to the camera.
I love pizza.
Ow!
He is no way related to me.
Take it off.
It's getting my eyebrows.
Your fault.
Don't do that. Like this.
Your cheek.
Ow, you hit my face. That's what happens when you hit someone. Should we end it?
No!
No one. Ow!
Give me.
Ow. The crayon fell on the floor.
Grab it. Violet, what's wrong?
You scared her.
Pause it.
You.
Shouldn't have told me. I didn't know Violet. Are you?
This is the backyard. Hooray! Amazing. Ow. Amazing car. Amazing stuff. It's really bright outside.